Best Racing Wheels for 2023. Conquer the track. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the best racing wheels for 2023. If you're a racing enthusiast seeking the ultimate driving experience, these top-notch racing wheels will have you covered. We've meticulously tested each one to provide you with all the essential details. So, let's dive right in. Thrustmaster T300 RS. The Thrustmaster T300 RS comes first. This boasts an impressive 1080-degree force feedback rotation, delivering unmatched precision and responsiveness as you navigate the virtual tracks. Its brushless motor technology ensures quieter operation and longer life, providing a realistic and immersive feel to every twist and turn. The wheel's high-quality materials, such as metal paddle shifters and a leather-wrapped grip, contribute to a premium racing experience. Designed with versatility in mind, the T300 RS is compatible with multiple gaming platforms, including PlayStation, PC, and even select Xbox titles with an additional adapter. The Thrustmaster ecosystem allows for easy interchangeability with other wheel rims, such as the Ferrari F1 add-on or the Rally GT wheel, offering a customizable racing setup tailored to your preferences. To further enhance gameplay, the T300 RS features a 3-pedal set with adjustable brake pedals for precise and consistent braking, crucial for competitive racing. The pedal set is also built to withstand the pressures of intense racing sessions. Thrustmaster Ferrari 458. Next is the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 racing wheel, a dream come true for fans of the iconic Italian supercar. Its design is an exact replica of the Ferrari 458 Italia's steering wheel, allowing you to experience the thrill of driving a Ferrari from the comfort of your gaming setup. Equipped with a high-precision optical reading system, the Ferrari 458 racing wheel delivers precise and smooth steering control, making every turn feel realistic and engaging. The wheel's adjustable force feedback provides varying levels of resistance, ensuring you feel the road's surface and car's response with remarkable accuracy. The rubber-textured grip enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during long gaming sessions, while the wheel's red rubber thumb grips add a touch of style and authenticity. Its 11 action buttons, including an engine start button, enable easy access to in-game functions, and the metal paddle shifters offer quick and responsive gear changes. Setting up the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 is a breeze, with its easy plug-and-play installation on both PC and Xbox gaming systems. The wheel is also compatible with the Thrustmaster ecosystem, allowing you to customize your racing experience with optional add-ons. Logitech G923. Moving on, we have the Logitech G923 racing wheel. This wheel is engineered to provide a thrilling and immersive racing experience like no other. Equipped with True Force technology, this wheel delivers high-definition force feedback, bringing every detail of the track and car to life. From the subtle rumble of a bumpy road to the intense force during a collision, the G923 ensures you feel every moment of the race. The G923's pedal set features a progressive brake pedal, allowing for precise and realistic control over braking pressure. This enhances your ability to finesse the car around corners and helps shave seconds off your lap times. The built-in clutch option further adds to the realism, enabling seamless gear transitions in supported games. Sporting a leather-wrapped steering wheel with a hand-stitched finish, the G923 offers a luxurious and comfortable grip for extended gaming sessions. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the demands of competitive racing. With a simple USB plug-and-play setup, the Logitech G923 is compatible with both PC and PlayStation gaming platforms, making it versatile and accessible to a wide range of gamers. The customizable settings allow you to tailor the wheel's performance to suit your preferences and gaming style. Logitech G29. Next is the Logitech G29 racing wheel, a tried and tested favorite among virtual racers, offering a fantastic balance of performance and value. The G29 features a dual-motor force feedback system that simulates the feeling of driving on various terrains and experiencing bumps, collisions, and tire slips. This adds an extra layer of realism to your racing experience, making it feel like you're truly behind the wheel. The G29's 900-degree steering rotation allows for precise and smooth control, granting you the ability to navigate hairpin turns and sweeping curves with ease. The wheel is wrapped in high-quality leather, providing a comfortable and reliable grip during extended gaming sessions. Equipped with stainless steel paddle shifters, the G29 offers satisfying tactile feedback with each gear change, making it feel like you're driving a high-performance sports car. The pedal set includes a responsive accelerator, brake, and clutch, providing you with the control and precision needed for competitive racing. This racing wheel is compatible with both PC and PlayStation platforms, ensuring broad accessibility to a variety of racing titles. Plus, the G29's solid build and dependable performance have earned it a reputation as a reliable and durable racing wheel that can handle the demands of intense gaming. PXN V311. Coming up next is the PXN V311. The V311 racing wheel offers an excellent entry point into the world of virtual racing without breaking the bank. Despite its budget-friendly price, the V311 doesn't compromise on features or performance. With a 180-degree rotation angle, this wheel provides adequate steering control, making it suitable for casual gamers and beginners looking to explore virtual racing. The V311's dual motor force feedback system delivers satisfactory feedback sensations, allowing you to feel the virtual road beneath your tires. The wheel's rubberized grip provides a comfortable hold and ensures you maintain control during intense races. Designed with compatibility in mind, the V311 supports both PC and PlayStation platforms, offering flexibility in choosing your favorite racing titles. Its plug-and-play functionality ensures quick and hassle-free setup, allowing you to jump right into the action. The racing wheel comes with a pedal set that features a responsive accelerator and brake pedal. While not as advanced as higher-end models, the pedal set still delivers a decent level of control for casual racing enthusiasts. The PXN V311's compact design and suction cups at the base ensure stability during gameplay, providing a reliable and enjoyable racing experience. If you're on a budget and just dipping your toes into virtual racing, the PXN V311 is an affordable and accessible option that offers a taste of excitement and fun that racing wheels can bring to your gaming sessions. Superdrive SV450. Lastly, we have the Superdrive SV450. The Superdrive SV450 racing wheel offers a well-rounded and user-friendly option for gamers seeking an affordable yet capable racing wheel. Designed to cater to both beginners and experienced racers, the SV450 provides a 180-degree rotation angle, allowing for decent steering control during virtual races. The S450's dual motor force feedback system provides satisfactory feedback sensations, giving you a sense of the road conditions and car handling. While not as immersive as higher-end models, it still adds a layer of realism to your driving experience. This racing wheel features a responsive pedal set with an accelerator and brake, offering adequate control during your virtual races. The rubberized grip on the steering wheel ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even during extended gaming sessions. With broad compatibility, the Superdrive SV450 supports both PC and PlayStation platforms, making it accessible to a wide range of gamers. Its simple plug-and-play setup allows for quick installation, so you can get started on the virtual tracks in no time. Whichever racing wheel you choose, we hope this review has helped you in making an informed decision. Check the links in the description for more details on each product. Remember to consider your preferences and gaming style when selecting the perfect racing wheel for your setup.